To prepare marble cake, you need eggs, flour. This is wheat flour, and you need milk, like 1 liter, and so on. You need chocolate powder to mix in your cake. Yeah. You need a concourse strainer to strain your flour and mixing. You need caster sugar. Okay, transfer caster sugar and the butter in a clean bowl and mix them well until they are soft. Mix until they are soft. Yeah, this is butter and margarine. Mix well until it's soft and it have a fine texture. Yeah, you can see. See. Mix. Now you can beat your eggs into a clean bowl also. Yeah, you can use like around 4 eggs and so on, but it depends on how amount of it depends. After transferring your eggs in a clean bowl, you can whisk them. You can add baking powder in the flour and then you sieve them together. Yeah, ensure that you've used the correct amount of baking flour and the baking powder. And you can add now the eggs and the butter. When you add the eggs mixture and then you add the flour. Yeah, you can add the wheat flour. Yeah, you add the egg flour gently. The egg flour. You add the mix of the egg and then you add the flour and then you mix them well. Here we go. Mix them well. Mix. Kwani ni mix ya chapo? Mix. Yeah, you can add now the remainder of the flour and ensure that it was like about 500 grams. Yeah, my people, it's known as creaming, but creaming ya butter na margarine. It's known same. Mix. You mix and until you obtain a smooth paste. You can also add some milk. Yeah, you can add some milk to get a fine texture. Yeah, add some milk until the texture is now fine. You'll add some milk. You'll keep adding some milk until now your paste is running. Mix. Mix and ensure you are mixing very well. Add some milk.
up on a full.
Yo.
The texture should be like this.
Check it out. So guys, you should get at the final. You are supposed to get something like this. You see, you can see it soft, yeah, and so on. Continue mixing. Now guys, you are supposed to grease your baking tin, and then you transfer your bake there, but you'll transfer the half of your bake, so that the other you can use it. You can add some chocolate and mix. Yeah, wait and see. It's about to go down. So guys, this is the remainder of your bake. Then you'll add like 15 grams of chocolate, and then you mix well. You'll mix until you see.
Oh yeah.
Mix. Now continue mixing.
Oh yeah.
You mix. Okay. Now you'll add the remainder here after you've added your chocolate and mixed well, so that it can be a marble cake.
Marble chocolate cake.
Yeah, this is a marble chocolate cake. So guys, you see now, after you transfer the remainder of your cake, of your bake here, now you line it well. As you can see, it should appear this way. After this, now you'll take your bake in the oven. After 30 minutes, check your cake. It's ready. It's about to go down. Yeah.